Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about the navigation methods. Okay, so in Selenium WebDriver, there is a navigation interface that has some methods. Okay, and those methods we can use to navigate the browser history. So navigate the browser history means, like, suppose that we have navigating the browser, and sometime we require to come back, click on the back button of the browser and forward button, and sometime also we require to click on the refresh. Okay, so how we do that? So all those things you will learn today in this tutorial. Okay, let me uh, navigate, like, so what I will do here, I will first navigate the browser, then I will click on the forgotten password, this link, and then again I will click on cancel. Okay, so now here the history is maintained for this navigation execution. Okay, so after that I will click on the back button in Selenium WebDriver. I will reach on this page. Then again I will click on the back button. I will reach on this page. Then I will click on the next button and I will verify this. And also I will click on the refresh. So all those uh, buttons we can handle by using Selenium. So there are Selenium internal functions. We will not click on this. That will automatically execute. Okay, so let me show function. So there is a driver.navigate. This will return the navigation object. Navigate object. Okay, so navigation is an interface which has three methods defined in WebDriver, which has three methods: back, forward, sorry, main, four methods, and refresh, and two has two methods. One is the, we can pass the URL, and second we can pass the URL object. And where this method is implemented, so this method is implemented into the remote driver object. Okay, let me show you. Click on Chrome, go to the remote driver. If I search here, okay, refresh, you can see here the method is implemented. Remote navigation, this is a class implemented to navigation, and these are the methods. All the four methods are available here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you one by one all the method how we will use. Okay, so this navigate.to, this method is used to open the URL on the browser. Okay, let me run this, and you will see this URL will open on the browser. Facebook.com is open. Now what I need to do, I am planning to click on the here forgotten but password link. Let me capture the element locator of this element. Okay, so this is href and this. Now I'm going to create here locator by using the text. Anchor tag a text equal to this. And if I want to click here, then what we will do, we can call the driver dot find element by dot xpath. I'm using xpath, so I will call here by dot xpath, then paste the xpath link, then click method. Okay, next, after the click, I will reach on this page. I'm going to verify this page by getting the this reading this find your account text. This is the class UI header title. Okay, created CSS driver dot find element. Now by dot CSS selector. Okay, click on pasted the uh, locator. Now I will call the get text function to get the text from the UI, and I am going to store this in a title variable. Okay, so next, to verify, I need to use the assert equals method. Okay, first is the title, second I need to, this is my expected value, so I will paste this in second argument. Okay, by default JUnit is imported, so I'm going to change this with testng. Okay, so let me capture also, print here also title. Get title. So on this page I am going to click on cancel button. So here I'm going to capture this href. Okay, so copy dx path. Again I will call the driver dot find by dot css selector, click method. Okay, so if I click here, then I will reach on this page, login Facebook. I'm capturing this header text. Spans, then div, driver dot find element by dot css selector dot get text. Okay, let me add here assertion. Okay, so this will verify. Here I'm going to verify log into Facebook. So now let me run this and you will see the execution result. Okay, so test is passed. Now I'm going to click on this. So when I click on the back button, so Selenium WebDriver will provide a function driver.manage dot back. Driver.navigate dot back method. Okay, so this will click on the back button. So when I click on the back button, then I'm going to verify find your account, this title. So I will capture again this title, locator is same, and then I can verify. Okay, so why I'm verifying? So that I can show you the navigation, like back buttons is clicking, page will get back, and similar type I can also click on the forward button. Next, if I click again back here, then I will reach on this page. Okay, so here I'm going to capture the only the title and printing here. Next, I'm going to click on the forward button. So I will call the driver dot navigate dot forward dot forward. Okay, forward. So when I click on the forward button, again I will reach and find your account page. So I need to verify this page. Okay, so this will verify. Again, if I want to Sometimes we require to click on the refresh page. Okay, so there is a function again also in the navigate dot to refresh. So what it will do, it will refresh the page. So currently I am on same page, so I can verify this we are still on same page after the refresh. Okay, so now I'm going to run this code. Yeah, click on back and refresh. Okay, so execution is completed and last page is find your account page. Okay, so hope this will help you to get understanding like how we verify, how we navigate the browser history. So there are four functions. One function is to navigate the URL, and three function. One is the back, click on the back. Second is the click on the next, like forward, and third is the refresh the browser history. Okay, thanks for watching the video.